As we continue to wrap up for this course, because it's actually very short, but it's important, let's talk about project and documentation. As a beginner, am I working with project? Yes. So no matter how simple it is, even when you are consuming a video content that did a walkthrough and you are replicating that walkthrough, the moment you are done with that walkthrough, you need to put them as a small project in a structure. And what is the structure? So I'm going to be recommending 1 or 2 courses in the next set of videos, but this is the structure that you need to work with. First, ask questions. Simulate that you're asking questions. What is this project all about? What problem are we addressing? Remember, what value are we delivering? Ask the right set of questions. And after that, when you are documenting, you must show that that process, what kind of question you ask. Even though there's no business to ask, you ask yourself and you provide answer. And the next set is prepare. How do you prepare data for this project? You know, like how do you prepare? How do you bring stakeholders together? And where did you go to get data and all those sort of things? Capture them, put them under that presentation topic. How did you prepare? How did you get the data? The next one is process. How did you do any transformation on your data before you start the real work? So if there's anything you observe, discrepancies, list them there, and how did you manage to address them? And what did you do to stop that kind of thing from repeating? Put it there. Then the next is analysis itself. So what kind of analysis did you do? How did you do it? And the rest, put the details, and then you document your findings. Yeah. And after this, you talk about share. Who are you sharing with? How do you want to share with them? What are you sharing with them? And after that, action point. Action point is the recommendation. What do you recommend? You know, at the end, okay, what should they do? What should business do? Even though it's a BI, yes, but you should have recommendation, you know, from it so that they can take action, and that action can lead to business value. As simple, don't say I don't know it. You have to know it. Now that if you can do this and you work on 1, 2, 3 projects, you are better than someone who has been learning for 2 years and saying, yeah, I know this, I know that. What have you done? As simple as that project is, if you can take them through that thought process and put information to demonstrate those things, you become valuable. And what if you are doing it from now? Someone who has grown into this might be difficult for them to start documenting. They are not used to it. But if you start as a beginner and you are doing that as a template, come on, you definitely know that you're on your way to success. All right. So in the next video, we talk more.